Hey guys, welcome back to another reaction video. Today I am going to be reacting to Mario and Sonic vs. Triangle, Monkey, and Noodle Neck by Giovanni, aka The Universe in the Multiverse of Madness. So this right here was his 8,000 subscriber special, and I also requested him to do this battle. So yeah, I'm gonna do a reaction video to this, and I'll put the original video in the description. So, you guys can also go, check it out. Anyways, let's get right into it.
Guys, this isn't where we were supposed to go.
I told you, we're gonna have to make a couple stops before we get there.
Exactly how many stops do we need to take?
I have no idea.
Hold this. I'm gonna tie their necks into a pretzel.
Good morning. What is that?
I am Godzilla.
King of the Triangles.
I will eat you. And this is Ching Chong.
King Kong.
That's what I just said.
How did you guys get here? With the portal remote? That's the teleport. That's the teleport.
Is that what you were thinking when we showed up?
Her belly, we gonna make us fight you free.
I think you meant to say 4. It's not a good time.
I don't really want to fight right now. Do you feel like fighting?
No, not really. I mean, we could just leave if you want us to.
Your flying eggs are pretty impressive, but let's face it, you'll never catch me.
No. Yeah, sorry, dude. It's pretty terrible.
At least your brother isn't gonna die.
You know, there's some things my memory's still foggy about, but you being spineless isn't one of them.
But feel bad enough.
Alright, buddy. Let's do this.
What, are you gonna brawl with that weak sauce monkey, or are you gonna fight against the big dog?
If you're referring to the obnoxious sound of your voice, yes, loud and clear.
Hey, Leonard! Wait, monkey done! Monkey boy! Okay, now I'm busting some heads. Is that it? You're done? Well, I hope you're not scared of heights.
This isn't fun anymore.
Let's show them what we've got. They're ugly rubber. I hope you don't mind us spotting your brains all over the pavement.
You done whining so we can leave now?
What? Well, so you're gonna blame all of that on me walking off? How about the fact that I saved your life, huh? Remember that?
Triangle Monkey and Noodle Neck wins. Mid-high diff. Thanks for AK subscribers. Yo, great video. Okay, I'm gonna end it off right here. Hopefully you guys had a wonderful time. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell button so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace.